Okay, so apparently Jenny wants to do some yard work. A what?
This is hot surfer mat. I'm gonna do leaf blowing because our yard's a mess.
First, you gotta put on the gear. So put on the glasses first.
Oh, okay. This is all for leaf blowing?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
If you have allergies, put that on.
I feel like this is coronavirus 101 here.
Oh yeah, that's also for coronavirus protection.
Wait, why does what?
Put it on your face and then worry about the straps. Okay, turn around upside down.
Does it go over my nose?
Yes, over your nose.
Ah!
Okay, now put the straps over the back.
Oh, I'm seriously having post-traumatic stress from the time I had my...
Okay, less stories, more doing.
This is I'm really having... Oh gosh.
Yeah, around.
You know when you smell
Okay,
it? Have you ever
now the
had
bottom
surgery
ones
that
go around the
smells
back and clip together.
Like this?
Yep.
Seriously, post-traumatic stress. All you little kids that had surgery, you know what I mean. Oh.
Now, get your earphones.
Oh yeah.
Yep, over the top. There. Now you have to try to start this beast.
Oh.
All right, push the bubble 5 times.
My earrings, my cute earrings.
Well, don't wear earrings when you're leaf blowing. Push the bubble 5 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Now, push this down. Turn this. Yep. There you go. Now pull it. One more. One more. Okay, don't hold your hand on this. You're turning it off while you're turning it on.
Oh, I thought you told me to push that down.
No, no, no. Just once.
Oh.
There you go. Now blow the leaves. Yeah, yeah.
Dang it.
Start it again. What? Now blow those off.
We can do hard things during this time and we can learn how to do hard things together. Like
Now I have to redo it all.
Do you really? Oh, I definitely was yelling.
Yeah.
Do you think our whole neighborhood heard us?
No.
I'm sure they'll
No one's
appreciate
allowed to go outside right now.
Good one. 6 hours later.